And today I decided to stop by this beautiful event center. And guess what? I call this place my second home because it has every feature you need for an event. It has a cold room, it has a guest house, it has a swimming pool, and beautiful hall, conference hall as well. So I'm taking you around Kara event to see the beautiful features of an event center. This is not just an event center, it is a home away from home. So today I'm live at Kara event and this is Jaybush. So I'm going to take you around at Kara event to see the beautiful event center. Event center is a bustling hub of activity, a place where people come together to create memories and celebrate life. But what happens behind the scene to make this event happen? In this video, we'll uncover the magic that goes into creating a successful event at Kara Events. Kara Events is a full-service event center that offers a variety of spaces and services to meet the needs of any events. The banquet hall is perfect for weddings, parties, and other large gatherings, while the conference hall is ideal for meetings, seminar, and other professional events. Kara Event has a cold room that keeps drink chill and a catering service that creates a delicious and memorable menu for any occasion. Additionally, the center has a sound system and two furnished apartments to make guests feel comfortable at home. Kara Event is also accessible through their website and Facebook page. This allows customers to find all information they need about the center and its offerings, as well as make bookings and ask questions. With an online presence, Kara Event is able to reach a wider audience and make it easier for people to find a perfect place for their events. If you're looking for an event center, Kara Event has got you covered with every services you need for your events. Contact Kara Events for your events.